This brand is from Nordyne, which is a subsidiary of Nortech Global HVAC. The units are available through their dealer network in the USA but are made in Mexico. All of the units feature louvered panel construction to protect the coil. Although the guarantee on the units is very good and includes their Comfort Pledge guarantee, which provides for unit replacement if the compressor fails during the warranty period, it is not as good as some of the other brands. The FSA-1B is a basic model with a swept wing fan for enhanced sound control and all aluminum coil construction to prevent corrosion. They have a 15 SEER efficiency and use micro-channel construction, which enables a more compact unit. The FSA-1BF models are premium units with 2 stages of cooling and state-of-the-art CoreSense onboard compressor protection, but they only have a 16 SEER efficiency rating. The units have a compressor blanket and swept wing fan for noise control. The FSA-1BG models are ultimate units with state-of-the-art compressor technology and the ability to communicate with the rest of the home's heating and cooling systems. They are very quiet during operation as the noise level in low speed is less than that of normal conversations.